Hey folks, we're back and we got a 2013 Hyundai Elantra GT. This is a 2-owner unit with a perfect Carfax. No paintwork, no issues. Drives 110%. Factory automatic car with alloy wheels. Yup. It's got the premium sound system, steering wheel controls, hands-free Bluetooth calling, Windows locks, tilt, cruise, CD player. Yup. 2 sets of keys with remotes. Non-smoker unit, folks. Heated seats. Gotta love it. Mucho MPGs on this car, folks. Real nice set of tires, brakes, fully serviced, safety inspected all through the shop. Got 2 of 21 stickers on it, so it's just through its PA inspection where we picked it up from. Straight out of a new car dealer. Yup. This is going to be a $795 starting down. Miles are good, right around 100. Warranty is good, 3 months, 4,500 miles over the drive line. Down payment is just right where you want to be, folks. Only $795 starting down. Guaranteed credit approval. Perfect Carfax. Guaranteed credit approval. Did I say guaranteed credit approval? Let me say it one more time. Guaranteed credit approval, $795 starting down. DasCleveland.com.